Hey everybody, it's Chris Strickland, and this is day 4 of Yoga with Chris. So, we're going to try to really bring some heat in today because it's cold. I got my heater going right here. And no, my socks aren't coming off because it's cold. Alright, so today we're going to start on our back. Find your breath here. Just breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Keep your feet flat on the floor. What we're going to do is we're going to inhale and lift the tailbone. Keep breathing. And we're going to take our left leg and inhale, go up. 3 breaths here. You got it. Alright, exhale, release. Now let's do it with the other leg. We're going to lift the tailbone and then exhale. Inhale, bring it up. The right leg. And for 3 breaths, we're going to hang around here. And exhale. Bring it down. Alright, so while we're down here, we're going to just windshield wiper our legs to the right, to the left. And I want you to bring both legs to the right. Try to keep your upper body facing forward. Bring your arms out and look to your left, and we're going to do 3 breaths like this. Exhale, take it to the other side. And turn your head to the right. 3 breaths. And on that last exhale, bring it back. Okay. Now, we're going to roll the tailbone up into seated. And we're going to go to all 4s. Alright, let's do a couple cat-cows. Stick the butt out and extend the neck up. Look up, spiral up. And then roll it in. Roll the tailbone in on an exhale. Let's do 3 of these. Roll it in. And roll it in. Alright, let's take a quick child's pose. Keep breathing. Breathe into the back of the body. Alright, and we're going to come up. Now, we're going to go to plank. Inhale, drop it up, drop it down. Exhale to downward dog. Pedal it out. And remember, your feet don't have to be flat on the ground just yet. Just do the best you can. When I first started yoga, my feet wouldn't go flat on the ground, but now they do. So keep practicing, guys, and just pedal it out. Keep breathing deeply. And we're gonna walk it up. Alright, forward fold, let all the blood rush down. And we're gonna go halfway up, inhale. And drop it down. Exhale. Swing it to the left, swing it to the right. Alright, and then we're going to go all the way up. bring the energy of the root up. Inhale. And rain it down. Alright? So, now we're going to spread the feet apart. Kind of like a Superman pose here. Spread the feet apart, put your hands on your hips, and we're going to go down. Inhale and exhale it down. And then we're going to drop the hands. If you can't make it to this and you're just hanging, that's fine. You'll get down there one day. Keep breathing deeply. And if you're really good, you can align the feet with the hands. That's our goal. Breathe into the back of the body. Breathe into the back of the legs. Alright, bring your arms back up to your waist, and let's bring it back up. Okay, so we're going to put our feet back together, and we're going to rain it up. Big inhale. Big exhale down. Bend the knees. Keep those knees bent. Alright. Now we're gonna go into a lunge here. So bring the right foot up, and we're just gonna take the left foot back and spiral your chest up. You can put your make sure your fingers are on the mat, and you can lay that leg down if this is too much, or bring it up, whatever. But just keep breathing deep. And then we're going to pivot on the back foot and bring that energy up. Inhale. And exhale to warrior 2 or 3. I never know which one is which, but this one. Keep breathing. I can feel it in my legs. Smile. You showed up for yourself today. You should be proud. Day 4. Can you believe it? Well, it's actually day 5, but we counted zeros, so. Alright, then we're going to go down with our right arm and put it next to our right foot and bring our left arm up. Couple breaths here. And on that last one, rain it down. Alright. Now we're just going to switch feet. You can walk it or jump it or hop it or whatever you want to do. Okay. Spiral the chest up. If you're really flexible, you can go on your toes, your back toes of the right foot, and keep that leg up. If you can't do that, you know, bring that knee down. Don't wear your body out. A few breaths here. And then we're going to pivot on the back right foot and bring the energy up. Inhale. And warrior 3. 2 or 3. I'm going to have to look that up after this. Breathe into that front leg. Be mindful of the right leg, the right foot. And just tuck the tummy in and stand in integrity. Keep breathing. Deep breaths. Then we're going to take the left hand down by the left foot. Bring the right arm up. And a few breaths here. And rain it down. Woo. And bring it back to plank. We're going to lower the stomach. And do a cobra here. on the forearms. Inhale when you come up, then exhale. And then inhale and exhale. Back to downward dog. See if you can take that entire exhale into the downward dog. You'll get the hang of it. Deep breaths. And just kind of play around here. Get flexible. You hear my legs? I have like no cartilage in my knees. But this is good. Alright, so back to downward dog. Right now we're gonna lift the left leg up and keep the right foot down and point the toes up. And we're gonna draw circles. One way, then the other way. Keep breathing. Can you feel the burn? Alright, bring it down. Plant the left foot, bring the right foot up, right leg up. Point the toes towards the sky, draw circles. One way and then the other. Alright, let's take a child's pose. Just take a moment to relax, let all the tension go. If you're tense anywhere in your body, just pay attention to it and relax it and just let it go. Let everything just hang right here. And you can bring your arms down too. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to plank. Inward, or inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Okay. So now we're going to take the left arm, the left hand, and we're going to bring it up. Try to keep your legs straight. I'm trembling. You might be trembling. This is good. Keep breathing. And then on that exhale, let's do kind of like a Ferris wheel with the arm. Alright, let's do the same thing on the other side. And exhale. Okay. So we're going to walk it back up. And while you're down here, take the left leg and you can plant your hands and just point the left leg out. Keep bending that right knee. Do not lock it or collapse it. And take a few deep breaths. Alright. Now let's plant the left foot. Let's take the right foot back. Toes pointing towards the earth. 3 breaths. Okay, and bring it down. And just kind of hang around here for a minute. Keep breathing. We're going to take it halfway up. And exhale it down. Then we're going to bring it all the way up. pull that root energy up all the way. And exhale to heart. Namaste. I think I've worn y'all out enough today. So, let's get to the end of this so you can get on with your day. Lay down. Legs stretch out, arms stretch out. Let's put our hands to our third eye. We're grateful for today. We belong where we are. If you don't belong where you are, have faith that you'll find out where you belong. And namaste.